In this video, I'm going to show you a 5-minute trading strategy that can make you $700 per day. So let's get straight into it. First of all, subscribe to my channel. That's very important. Second of all, let's get into how to use Bybit, because that's the exchange we're using for this strategy. So before we start derivatives trading, you need to deposit some money onto Bybit. I will show you how to do that. And step number one is to sign up to Bybit with my link below. My link will give you $30,000 deposit bonus after you make your initial deposit. So how to make your deposit is like this. First, you click on assets in the top right corner and then you click deposit. After this, choose the coin that you would like to deposit here and the chain type depending on the coin that you choose. Confirm the details, scan the QR code, or copy the deposit address to transfer your funds. If you want to make a deposit with fiat, click on buy crypto at the top of your menu bar and then click on fiat deposit. Choose your fiat currency and enter the deposit amount. Select your payment method and click on continue. After you have deposited your funds, it's time to open positions. I'll show you how to do that because otherwise we can't trade. You click on derivatives at the top of your menu bar, click on USDT perpetual, and it will take you to the corresponding trading interface. Select the asset you want to trade right here in the upper left corner. Now, choose your order type from limit, market, or conditional. Enter your trade details right here, such as the quantity and price that you would like to open your trade. And finally, you have to choose your leverage type. You can choose between cross margin or isolated margin. Confirm your order details and click on buy long, sell short to open your position. Once your order is filled, you're gonna find it all the way down here under positions tab. Now, let me talk about this strategy, how to make $700 per day. First, you need TradingView, very important. Link is down below to TradingView. Select the trading pair you want to trade right over here. And in this case, for example, we're choosing Bitcoin against USDT. Next, click here and choose the 5-minute time frame. Since this is a scalping strategy and we want to reach our goal of making $700 a day, we're gonna do the following here. Type Donchian channels and select this one here. Click on the indicator's settings and then click on inputs and change the length to 96. Click on styles and change the colors of the upper and lower lines to red to make them easier to see. Here you can see the Donchian channels indicator with its 3 lines. The middle line acts as a mean reversion point for the market, which means that the mean price will always be attracted to this line. You can also use it to tell the momentum of the chart. So if the price is above this line, it's a bullish momentum, and if the price is below this line, it's a bearish momentum. Next, you can see the upper and lower bands. These bands act as both supports and resistances. The price often reaches these levels and gets rejected, but you can also consider them as breakout points. If the price breaks the upper band, it usually moves upward. But there is a little problem with this strategy. Normally, you use this indicator in a way that if the price breaks this upper band, you open a long position. Set your stop loss right below the middle line, and your take profit is a 2 to 1 risk reward ratio, and you get a winning trade. But if the market just moves sideways like it is right here, it will cause a problem. In this scenario, the upper and lower bands are going to be close together. As you can see here, it means they are likely to break even from a small move that does not have a lot of momentum behind them. So it would give you a false signal and you would lose the trade. So to stop this from happening, you need to add 2 more confirmation indicators to this strategy. But before I show you that, don't forget to claim your full $30,000 bonus on Bybit for this strategy to make your $700 a day. You can use this bonus to start trading and making your $700 a day. And Bybit requires full KYC. If you prefer another exchange, I have another partnership with Bitflex. So Bybit is my number 1 exchange. My number 2 exchange is Bitflex, and it's much faster to sign up. You sign up in less than 20 seconds. You can start trading immediately. So go and check it out right now in the description. And the cool thing with Bitflex is that they're giving you $68,888 in bonus for trying it out. So check that out, link down below. Next, for the second indicator, click on the indicators tab, type LWTI or Larry Williams Large Trade Index, and select this one here. Click on the settings of the indicator and then click on inputs and change the period to 25. You need to know that the higher this number is, the more long-term the trends it will look for. On the other hand, for the confirmation of short-term trends, a small number is better. Next, change the smoothing period to 20. For the final indicator of the strategy, click on the indicators tab, type volume and select this one here. This incredible indicator will help you avoid false signals. Click on the settings of the indicator, then click on inputs and change the MA length to 30. Click on style, enable the volume moving average and change its color to white. With this indicator, you can identify when the market has momentum instead of just a small move. Now, the strategy is simple. To open a long position, step number one is that you want the price to come up and touch the upper red line. Next, you want the LWTI indicator to be green. Remember, if it is red and touches the upper band, don't enter the trade. Finally, you want the volume bars to be above the white line and also want to be green, showing there is no market consolidation taking place, but there is enough volume to enter the trade. Once all these three conditions are met, you will open your long position here. Now, you would set your stop loss right below the middle orange line. And by the way, also very important right now is if you want to get a job in crypto, to get into the crypto industry, you can go to cryptojobs.com, like you can see on the screen right now. It is the #1 biggest crypto job board in the world. And maybe you are a trader looking for traders. You can hire them on this website. Maybe you are a CEO, you need a marketing manager, you can hire through this website. Or maybe you are someone who wants to work for Bybit, you want to work for Bitflex. They are all hiring on cryptojobs.com. Check it out right now. It is my job board. I created it. I'm the founder and CEO. I'm super proud of it, so check it out. Link down below. To open a short position, first you want the price to hit this lower band, next the LWTI indicator to be red, and finally the volume to be above the white line and the bars to be red. So you can see all these conditions were met here. You will enter your position here, set your stop loss right above the middle line and set your take profit at a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. You can see you have another winning trade. A small problem with this strategy is when it's near a major support or resistance, here all of your requirements, for example, were met. The price touched the upper band, the LWTI indicator was green, and the volume was above the line and also green. So you open a long position here and set your stop loss at take profits, but if you look here, you can see that it was a losing trade. So if you zoom out, you can see the criteria were met at a clear, strong resistance level. You got all your signals, but the price bounced here since it was such a strong level. To fix this, click here and choose the 1 hour time frame. Set your major support and resistance levels to avoid any entering trades close to those major levels. And so what you need to do here is, if the price is breaking the resistance level or any resistance level and all of the requirements are met, it's a great time to enter this trade, as there is a huge confluence and bullish momentum in it. So if you pair this strategy with basic support and resistance, it works absolutely phenomenally. So that goes with most of the strategies I'm showing on this channel. You use the strategy and then you apply it with some support and resistance, and it will help your strategies become more and more profitable. And over on my channel, I have so many trading tutorials that can show you how to make more money in crypto. And if you haven't claimed your bonus to Bybit yet, go and do it right now, $30,000. And Bitflex is giving you $68,000 bonus. And if you want to see a full playlist with all of my trading tutorials, check it out right here. You don't want to miss out. See you over there. Bye-bye.